for the latest trends from the F&O space in the current market. Mangalam?
Well, the market is lower. There's no two ways about it. And it's actually at the lower end of today's trading range so far. The frontline index, the Nifty Bank, as well as the mid-cap index, which is down about 1.5%. But what's interesting is that the Nifty is holding on to some of the recent lows that we've seen lately, right? So if you look at, the low on Jan 12th, which was last Monday, thereafter we had the yesterday low. And today as well, the Nifty has been hovering around that 25,433 mark. That's where the low has been maintained. What's interesting is that the Nifty Bank, for the Nifty to maintain that, level currently, the Nifty Bank has to hold on to key levels, and that's the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average on the Nifty Bank, which is closer to that 59,555 mark on the 20-day moving average. And we have the 59,200 odd mark, which is the 100-day moving average for the Nifty Bank. So both these two levels are extremely crucial for one to track. And if the Nifty has to support or find support at these levels, these are important levels to track. As far as the market breadth is concerned, obviously 2,300 stocks in the red for about 545 stocks which are in the green. That does not paint a very pretty picture. The impact on earnings has been a lot harsher today than it has been in the very recent past. So case in point, something like an Oberoi Realty, the third quarter update not doing well for them. LTI Mindtree, the results itself, while they were in line, the outlook is weak. The stock had seen a run up. Havells as well, the results are in line, but the near term, when it comes to margins and competition, not particularly good. So the street is finding safe haven. What is the safe haven? It is the consumer stocks. We have HUL, Britannia, Godrej Consumer, all of them doing well. Though there are some silver linings. The good part is that, at lower levels, we are seeing purchase. So the Nifty's found some support. The Nifty Bank is still above the 20-day moving average. And the put-call ratio, as it moves towards the extreme, today's low was 0.62, has now moved back to around 0.71. So there is some sense of balance which has come by. Just for today's expiry, the street believes that this range that we've made for ourselves will continue. 25,400 at the lower level and 25,500 at the upper level. Why do I say that? Because straddle writers are very active. Straddle is a call and a put together. The 25,450 put and a call, they have a combined premium of almost 70 rupees. So, 70 points on either side of 25,450 is where, the range the option writers expect for the market to be. And if you want to broaden that as well, 25,500 call writers, fairly active, premium of 30 rupees. And at the lower level, the 25,400 put writers, they come up for you as well. They too have a premium for almost 17 to 18 rupees. So around 25,380 to about 25,520 is the broader range that the street is working with, if it's not 25,400 and 25,500.
Mangalam, ever thought of buying a kg of silver?
3 lakh rupees? No, not at all.
3,17,000 was the flash on the screen just a few minutes ago. And silver, that is one thing that's not down for sure, even if the markets are continuing to make